How's it going, everyone? Weston here with GoWesty, and today we're going to go over the pop-top tent adjustment kit. If your pop-top tent is either too tight or too loose in the front seams, this kit can help. Keep in mind this only gives about a ½ inch in either way of adjustability. We begin removing the H-bar by uninstalling the upper mounts. Remove the nut towards the back of the vehicle, but be sure to leave a couple threads on the nut in the front of the vehicle. While the top is up, locate this retaining fastener at the lower portion of the H-bar. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we remove this retainer but leave the pin installed. Next, we lower the pop top, but be sure the upper H-bar mounts stay in place. With the top lowered, we uninstall the nuts that we previously left loose. We pull down on the H-bar and use the provided zip ties to secure it. Uninstall the pin you previously removed the retaining fasteners on, then re-pop the pop top and use a piece of wood to support it. Now that there's enough room, we uninstall the H-bar. Uninstall the upper brackets by removing the retainers and pins. Then using a step drill, drill out the holes to 3/8. Test for fitment with the spacer sleeves, and then drill out the other side. Again, we verify fit with the spacer sleeves. Now that we know everything fits, we deburr both sides and install the spacer sleeves. Then ultimately the bracket. With the logo facing inward, we install the carriage bolt, fender washer, and nut. Tighten the nut ever so slightly, but leave everything loose. We go back into the vehicle and reinstall the H-bar, starting with the lower pins. Take the newly provided retainers and install them on your existing pins. I like to take a socket with the ID large enough to fit the OD of the pin, then take a pair of clamps to press the retainer over the pins. Once this is done on both sides, remove the piece of wood and lower the pop top. Tuck the tent out of the way. Cut the zip ties and walk the upper bracket over the bolts in the roof. With everything lined up, we reinstall the previously removed hardware finger tight. Once this is done on both sides, we carefully raise the pop top and then torque down the bolts to the proper torque spec. Lastly, taking a pry bar or a large screwdriver, we adjust the pop top brackets. Once you've got it set to the desired adjustment, torque the nut to 12 foot-pounds or 144 inch-pounds. Finish by doing this to the other side, and that's it. You're all done. Thanks for following along, and we'll catch you on the next one.